Can you even remember the last time you noticed a travel mug? Although they're with us daily, there's nothing appealing about them. They might as well be invisible. You use them on the go, in your cars or in the office. The silent partner of your daily routine. The invisible, unattractive, dull, silent partner. Until today. Introducing Fiber Black, Tubus, Orbis, and Fortis. Hand-coated with beautiful, lightweight, aerospace-grade carbon fiber. The same material spaceships and supercars are made of. We use the best German-made raw materials available. 1 week to get a product from start to finish. You'll feel it when you hold the flawless exterior. You'll feel the level of craftsmanship and precision we deliver with every item we produce. The result? A modern, chic, state-of-the-art finished product. Available in 4 colors: blue, red, green. And of course, the classic, unmistakable carbon fiber black. Upgrade your fashion style with the newest and coolest travel mug out there. Stir up conversations. Be the talk of your office, your gym, or that of your peers. Don't just get noticed. Impress.
Hello Kickstarter! After over a year of research, we're finally ready to launch Fiber Black, the world's first ever carbon fiber travel mugs. An eye-catching accessory designed to draw attention, impress, and put whoever owns it on center stage. Solving all problems to come up with a flawless and affordable product wasn't easy, but we are finally here, our manufacturing facility ready to go, and all our suppliers on speed dial. All we need now is the final piece of the puzzle, and that is you. Help us make this project a reality. Back us today and you'll be the talk of your peers with the world's first and only carbon fiber travel mug. Thank you.